Good day, this is AJ FARZAD with successwithloa.blogspot.com, and you can see most of my posts and videos on my Facebook page. Good day, this is AJ FARZAD with successwithloa.blogspot.com, and this week I am putting a video blog entitled Why They Say No and How to Fix It. So I am traveling in New York area, and I'm diffusing thieves because everybody's been sneezing all over the plane, and everywhere I go people are sneezing on me. So going with the Old Faithful Young Living essential oil thieves to make sure that my immune system is strong. So today the purpose of this blog is to explore the law of attraction power behind anything that you do so you don't get the no's. So I'm focusing this mostly on obviously sales, training, etc., but it happens in your daily life as well, in your relationship, in anything that you do, because the law of attraction affects everything that we do. It's a universal law, just like gravity, just like magnetism, just like electricity. It's a universal law. It does not pick and choose. It has no bias. So I am reading a book by Jane Roberts called Seth Speaks. And this is a precursor to even Esther and Jerry Hicks's work. Esther and Jerry Hicks were intrigued by Jane Roberts' works, and they actually wanted to talk to her and investigate what's going on. So this was even before my resource for law of attraction with it, which is the Abraham Hicks products and seminars and books. And in this book, Seth Speaks, Seth makes it very, very, and Seth, remember, is a collective of teachers, just like Abraham is a collective of teachers from source. It's not just one person. Anyway, the point that they make is that the intensity of your desires, your thoughts, and your emotions is what manifests the physical reality that you are experiencing right now. And I want to say that again with an emphasis on the intensity of your emotions, your feelings, and your thoughts manifest the reality that you are experiencing right now. What does that mean? Let's say that you are getting angry at someone. Someone cuts you off in traffic. You can feel that anger rising, and in a very short time you can go from jolly listening to music to cussing the living daylight out of someone that may not even be in the car with you, right? So it's very easy to control the intensity of negative feeling. The same is true with sadness. When something bad happens, we like to talk about it and just relive it and increase the intensity of those negative things. So now let's bring it into the topic of our discussion. Sales appointments, trainings with customers, troubleshooting. It is very easy to think the negative. Oh my God, my product is too expensive. The customer is going to come up with umpteen excuses why they don't want it. My customers are annoying. It's going to be a terrible training. I don't know anything. I'm going to look like a... You see how it builds that negativity so easily and so quickly. And all that intensity will attract to you by the law of attraction the things that you're focusing on. It will bring you more opportunity to get those negativity. Now, let's switch it to the other side. Is it easy for you to intensify your joy and happiness? Most people have a hard time doing that. Even personally, when I am happy looking at my baby sleeping, I enjoy that, but I don't milk it all the time. It's difficult for me to increase my level of positive emotions as easy as I get angry or as easy as I get upset. And I think this is the way for most people. If you happen to be lucky enough to be able to just have those hearty belly laughs all the time, then you are truly blessed. And that is one of the reasons why you are more likely getting no's from your customers. It's because the intensity of the negative emotions are usually higher than positive emotions. The good thing is that positive emotions have a higher vibration to begin with. But what I want you to concentrate on is milk the good feelings, milk the joys, talk it out loud. I have said this before. One of the greatest ways that I have seen Esther do her seminars is she sits the person down in the hot seat and she just goes on and on audibly over and over about all the good things that can happen. It can be general, it can be specific, but milk the good feelings. When you feel the good feelings, milk it as much as you can. When you're prepping for your training or your sales presentation, imagine and feel the good feelings as much as you can. If the feeling that you're getting is not good, if you're getting that gut bullshit reaction that says, no, this is just not the way I'm feeling, I'm just saying things, la da da da, then you are too specific. You need to take a step back and enjoy, for example, a sunny day. Get general about something that you can feel good about and concentrate on it. And that is the key purpose of starting your day for yourself, by doing some meditation, by taking a little bit of time off in the beginning of your day and raising your vibration. So make sure that you intensify the good feelings before you go into a sales presentation or a training. If you are comfortable with it and you have practiced this, this could happen right in the parking lot of the account. If this is your first time hearing this, you need to do this a few hours, or better yet, again, in the morning before you have that meeting, because it's difficult to turn things around, especially if you had a stressful drive to an account. Okay? So, intensity. The intensity of your good feelings will manifest more opportunities for you to feel good. And the higher that intensity is, the easier and the quicker it will manifest in your physical reality. I hope this makes sense to you. As always, to your success.